Hello, welcome back. This is the second video of Unit 18, Computational Thinking. We are going to start building the quiz, the computerized test. First, on a blank sheet in Excel, you need to set up the layout. The first cell, cell A1, keep it for the label total marks. B1, use it for collecting the total marks on this test. Okay. Then we set up the question 1 on row 3. Leave row 2 blank. We may need it for something else. A3, cell A3. That's used for question number. This whole column is for question number. Leave column B and column C free for the moment. We'll leave it for later, collecting marks. Question D is where we start typing up the questions and options. Okay, the first question I've typed up is, what is the capital city of France? That is in D3, cell D3. And below that, you got options A, B, C, D. And the details of options are next to it in E column. That's done. For this one, I need to set up where do I collect the answer from the student and where do I keep the total mark of this for this question. I'm going to use this one, as you've seen from my previous video. I'm going to use this column for my answer collection points. And I'm going to use this column for calculating the marks for each option being chosen. And I'm going to choose this box for the total marks. And then I'm going to give it a colorful decoration. For this one, I'm going to use my traditional color, green. But I want to keep this one free, because that is where you want people to enter the choices. This one, I can keep it free as well, because that's the one to keep the total mark. Okay, now for one question is done, I'm going to give it a border. So that one question is done, clear border. I can do another question here, another question here, and you can do that yourself. Now I'm going to check which one is the correct answer. Whatever the students put in this box, this cell C6 should be okay to mark it as correct answer. If I put a Y there, it's taken as the correct answer. In this column, I'm going to do the checking, the computerized marking. Okay, that's the correct answer. So I'll say if this one is marked, if this box is not left blank, it's marked in whatever symbol, then I'll say that indicates is the correct answer. So if this box, that this cell C6 is not blank, quotation mark, nothing in between, that's blank. Okay, if it's not blank, means correct. Okay, give it 2 marks. If it's left blank, then you got it wrong. I'll give you 1 penalty mark. Okay, see, you can see that's 2. However, if I leave something there, say I think this one is the right answer, that's a wrong answer, so therefore you shouldn't get marks at least, or you get penalty marks if you're just purely guessing. So if this cell is blank, yeah, if it is blank, correct, I'll give you no marks and no penalty. Otherwise, if you leave it not blank, you've chosen it, then I'll give you 1 point penalty. Yeah, you see, 1 penalty. Do the same with this one. This one, if you put the yes there, that's obviously wrong answer. So you can tell if it's not blank, if it is blank, it's correct. So you don't get anything. Yeah, because it's not right answer anyway. If you don't leave it blank, you got it wrong. I'll give you 1 penalty point. Same with this one, equals if the content of that one equals to blank, then it's correct. You don't get anything, no penalty either. Otherwise, I'll give you 1 penalty mark. Okay, how do you see that one, because it's blank, so you got 0 marks. If you do something there, you got a penalty mark. Okay, this one should be the total of this. If someone is not sure, they just tick everything in the hope that get something back, they'll get penalized. So this one should be equals to this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. So overall you get 1 penalty mark. But if I delete this one, that's a blank, that is a blank, that's a blank, you get 2 marks in total because you got the right answer chosen, nothing else. Okay, that's how it worked out. So suppose I'm going to do question 2 here. Question 2, whatever answers I get, I have options A, B, C, D, and whatever answer I've got here is the total marks for that question. And then for the total of this test, suppose it has 2 questions only, this one would be equals, you can guess what I get, 1 plus another. You get total 2 marks. If this one got 2 marks as well, total 4 marks. So that's the basic idea of the test. And in the same manner, you can add more questions and update the total. Thank you.